Okay, so these are the two little ragamuffins. But these are the pots. There's 4 of them in total. They're nice the way they are. They're just old-fashioned looking. I don't like the colours of them, and yeah, I want them painted or just plain white. I'm going to do it with chalk paint. Okay, so I'll get started cleaning them. That will be the first step. Okay, so magically they're all been painted after they've been washed. Actually no, I did film me painting them. I filmed me making the chalk paint because I made some chalk paint, and then I edited it and then I deleted it accidentally, so which is a bummer because it was good footage. But basically they've been painted white with chalk paint. I did put a grip lock primer underneath only because I did have a grip lock primer left over from the brown wicker outdoor lounge, so I thought I may as well use that because that's good for surfaces that are shiny or slippery, like plastics, metals and ceramics. So I did put that on, but I mean, I don't think you need it. I wouldn't have put it on if I didn't have it. And so I'm really pleased with the way they've come up. They look so pretty. The ones that are embossed have a nice detail to them. Actually 3 of them were. This is embossed but not, it's sort of hard to see, and this one here was embossed a little bit as well. I'm going to leave these plain, I think. The big one's really lovely too. I did only 1 coat inside because you're not really going to see inside. These pots are actually for outdoor plants, but I'm not going to use them for the outdoor plants. They have drainage holes in them. I'm not going to use them because I don't know how the chalk paint would fare in the dirt and mud. So I'm going to, as you know, go out and buy some faux plants and flowers for these. I also painted a glass jar that I had left over. It was a sauce jar. It had honey, soy, chili, chicken sauce in it, and it was like that. And I painted it with the chalk paint as well, and I painted this little jar. It was George's that she didn't want, so I thought I'll take that and that will be a nice little vase. And I'm going to decorate those 2 flower vases with some raffia and some rub-on transfers. Yeah, that should be pretty. There's some little sayings in here too, which are really nice. I'll use one of those. So I'll get to just finishing the decorating of them, and then I'm going to go out and buy some faux plants and flowers to fill them with. So I'm really pleased with the way these turned out. They're so pretty. I'm having a high tea, well, my version of a high tea for Mum on Saturday because it's her 80th birthday. So I thought these would be pretty, and I might give them to her with the faux flowers that I buy when we go shopping. Yeah, I think they're just so pretty and so easy to make. They cost virtually nothing. These little transfers came in a pack, and there were 5 in the pack, and they were $5 I think, and I got them on eBay. I'll try to find the link to that store. And I think being chalk paint too, they went on really easily, except for these flowers. That one was the hardest, those two. And anything with a really fine green stem, yeah, that takes a little bit too, but no, they're just so pretty. What I might do is just play around with some raffia. I might be able to put some raffia on the top and tie it in the bow. We'll just see how that looks. If it doesn't look any good, I'll scrap that idea. So I got this raffia. I got it from Bunnings, but they also sell it at Kmart. This raffia at Bunnings was $3.99, but at Kmart it's $2.99. Yeah, so, but I was just at Bunnings, so I thought I'd get it. I had another project in mind for this as well, but yeah, I'll just try to tie some on here and see how it looks. What do you think? Yeah, I think it's cute. Well, I might do that. I might try it on this one as well, and we'll see how it looks. What do you think? That's a little bit different. It's not a bow, but it's just tied off, and it's covering the top there. Not too bad. Okay, these are the jars finished with the raffia. Comment down below what you think about the raffia. I may, when I get the faux flowers, I may even just see what it's like with and without. If it looks a bit cluttered with the raffia, I'll just take it off. Mum can always take it off if she wants to, but I don't think it's too bad. I think it's pretty, and it just adds a little bit to it, and it covers this a little bit, the lip where the lid was. So yeah, I'm very pleased with those. I think they look really lovely. make this one actually sit up higher, to make it look like it's a bigger plant, I put a plate in the bottom of the pot. Well, it's not actually in the bottom, it's probably about halfway up the pot, and then I put the plant, or the faux plant, on top of the pot. To cover the black pot, I just put some raffia in it, and so it actually makes it look like it's a bigger, higher plant than it actually is, because the pot is quite big and half of the plant was sort of getting lost in the pot. So I'm really pleased with that. I might just adjust the leaves a little because they're plastic. They're a bit stiff, and I think that looks pretty. I think I'll put that one outside on the patio.